Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. It is Thursday, just after the close, about 5 after 6. Doing a special video because I'm going to be out tomorrow. But just wanted to get some thoughts down about where we are and where we may be headed into tomorrow. Now, the one thing I will say is you got to take this all with a grain of salt because it's a heck of a long time between now and tomorrow's open. But what we saw today is not unlike what we've seen the last few days. An attempted move down to weekly pivot that they couldn't get through. They haven't done that here, or here. They closed in the last, right after the 4 o'clock close up until the 5 o'clock shutdown, was all about trading in and around 63.70, which, if we zoom here, it's a kind of a battle over the 9-day. And if you look at it on a 5-minute chart, you can see that the 9-day was trying to act as resistance. We spent most of the day, they never got the highs back from this morning. They sealed off the pre-FOMC price. They sealed off the high right off the open. And they spent a solid 5 hours here just steadily moving things down. You saw some profit taking in the last hour and a half of the day, which is not unusual. Then they ramped it a little bit into the close. The key for me was when we got into just before the close, they had a tough time holding daily mid-band, which is your green line, monthly pivot, which is your red line, and what you can't see because it's buried under all this stuff it was daily pivot as well. So, and it was also the area of our proprietary moving average. So there were 4 things going on there that were all important, and the bulls, at least on the close, were able to push through. Now, whether there's any validity to that remains to be seen, and we've got a whole Globex to see how that's going to pan out. What I am looking for into tomorrow is, can the bears defend in the Globex tonight and tomorrow? Can the bears defend the hourly midband? Sitting around 84 if it comes to that. So about 11 handles from where we closed. Can they hold that as resistance? And if they can they push back down below the 9-day? How we close relative to the 9-day tomorrow is going to set up next week. Lots of chances at weekly pivot. Lots of chances for weekly pivot to be anything but support. Nope. No. Never converted it, never became resistance. It has acted as support all the way through, and you have to throw that up on top of the pile as well. So as long as that's going on, the benefit of the doubt is going to go to the bulls, at least to take it back up to the Globex highs. If, and it's a big if they can convert the hourly midband. So heading into the Friday Globex, the Friday regular session, that's, as I sit here every night and I look at stuff, this is what I'm looking at right now. So it's a chance for you to see kind of what I'm looking at night. Some of the other areas, although these won't mean shit by the time we open tomorrow morning, volume weighted average price is 72 right now, 63.72. Proprietary moving average is 63.54, but that's all going to change. Keep an eye on the 9-day tomorrow. Keep an eye on the hourly mid-band tomorrow. They are both they should be important. All right. Everybody have a fantastic night. Take care. Have a great weekend. I'm back at the regularly scheduled time on Monday.